This is third question, third short from Unit 2. First two short questions were from Unit 1. This is from Unit 2, differentiation, and differentiation of this quotient form of the function. A plus x by a minus x will be differentiated with respect to x. How is it differentiated? Solution begins. We let it equal to y. A plus x by a minus x. Then we write differentiate with respect to x. For that we apply d by dx on both sides. D by dx of a plus x by a minus x. This bracket is essential. Now we will apply quotient rule. This will be transformed. You know that this is an operator. We'll change this function into its derivative. Derivative is of the form according to quotient rule. What is that? Shape. Shape is formed by quotient rule. And quotient rule says the function is in denominator, that must be squared in the denominator. It's square a minus x, derivative of numerator function a plus x minus a plus x, which is numerator function, d by dx of denominator function a minus x. Now the function which is in front of d by dx will get changed, will be converted into its derivative. So we have dy by dx on left hand side. Right hand side denominator function remains unchanged, a minus x whole square, unchanged. First a minus x, this is also unchanged. D by dx means derivative with respect to x of a is 0. Derivative with respect to x of x is 1. Minus a plus x. If you are not the beginner student, obviously you are not a beginner of differentiation topic. So it means that you must know that derivative of x is 1, derivative of constant is 0. So derivative d by dx derivative of constant is 0, of x with respect to x is 1. Then we will just simplify it. Students, differentiation is completed, simplification is to be done. Now d by dx, it will be 1 is multiplied with a minus x, so it is a minus x. We can see that this is minus 1 only because 0 is addition. In addition and subtraction, 0 does not contribute and it will disappear. So minus 1 is here, this minus 1 will make it plus, so it will become plus sign. With plus sign, there's the same value, a plus x, divided by a minus x whole square. This x will be cancelled by this, they will make 0. D by dx of a plus a is 2a and a minus x whole square. This is answer. The derivative of given function, derivative of this with respect to x is this.